This is the takeaway from Lynda video series, video 1, the basics of networking. Thought it was a great video series, really boiled down some complex topics and what I thought were easy to understand tutorials. One of the areas I'd like to focus in on would be the network topologies and how from an enterprise network management perspective, you're really going to be dealing with is probably a combination of a lot of these topologies and equipment. You need to understand those concepts. You need to understand how your network is flowing so that you can deliver timely service to your enterprise end users. And one of the challenges that he touches on throughout the video series that resonates is the need to balance the cost of your network with the risk of outage that your enterprise is willing to undertake. And what I mean by that is for every percentage point of availability that you add to your network, you're adding increased cost. You're building in redundancy, reducing those single points of failure, and it functions on the law of diminishing return, which means you get less and less availability for more and more cost. And that is going to be the real challenge for any IT manager from a networking standpoint is, how much risk is my enterprise willing to tolerate in terms of availability, and how much are they willing to spend? Because there's an inverse relationship between the two and it becomes very complicated. So you need to think through these issues and be able to speak to this when you're at the table discussing the cost of your IT service.